So the mouse is on and off here. You can see, yes, the mouse is stopped randomly and suddenly not moving. So yeah, it's stopped now. It's not moving even when I turn on the 2.4G connection via USB dongle. And I'm gonna check this wireless mouse, what causing this mouse is on and off randomly. And yeah, let's get started. As you can see, this is we have three options: Bluetooth, off, and 2.4G USB connection. The keyboard is also have a two connection. This is for Bluetooth, 2.4G connection, and off. This is a 3-switch selector, and for a 2.4G connection it has no problem. The keyboard is working. Only the mouse connection is not working. So I'm gonna check this. This two devices has a rechargeable battery inside. Recharging with the Type-C USB cable here. I already checked the battery is full. Let's check inside this one. Maybe I'm gonna open this and check what's going wrong inside this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is our mouse. This model is QW07 DC 1.5 volt and it's wireless. Says 10 meters. So I'm gonna open this from this side. And we have two screws here. And we have a rechargeable battery here. Let's open with prying tools. This is my spudger, metal spudger. The battery is this is a 14500 models, is 3.7 volt and 500 milliamp. Okay, let's check with my multimeter. Let's check the DC voltage, DC, and this is the symbol for the DC testing. And let's check the battery. This is plus, this is negative, plus and negative. 3.3 volts. I think we have a broken batteries here. It's supposed to be 3.7 volt because I already charged the battery before and the indicator tells it is full. Maybe I'm gonna try to find the 14500 battery and replace this battery. Okay, let's compare the battery with the regular battery. This is a AA battery. I think the diameter is the same. The length is different 1 millimeter, I think. We are comparing the 14500 with the AA battery. And unfortunately we cannot use this because this is only have 1.5 volt DC. And this one, it has 3.7 volt. So yeah, when you're testing with your multimeter, it is showing 3.3. It's supposed to be 3.7, and definitely this battery is leaking, and that's why our mouse is on and off randomly. The mouse is not getting enough power to run. You can find this battery from your local electronic store, or you can buy it online. It's saying it's 500 milliampere. In the market, you may find so many size of milliampere. They have 500, 1000, 2000. The bigger the milliamp, the longer the battery will last, and also longer charging time. The one important number that you need to consider is the 3.7 volt. It has to be the same, but for the milliamp, it depends on your needs. Whenever you want to recharge longer or longer activity time, it's depend on your decision. Usually it's a little bit higher in price when you are buying a more bigger milliamp. Okay guys, I have this new 14500 batteries. This is the same rechargeable battery, 3.7 volt. The only difference is the milliamp size. This one, the new one, has 2000 milliampere hours, and this one is only 500 milliamp hours. So which one is better? Actually, you can use both as long as the voltage is the same, 3.7 volt DC. When we are comparing the voltage, we can use multimeter. We can choose the volt DC here. It is 3.8, even bigger than 3.7. Yeah, we can tolerate the differences from the voltage as long as it's not very far or high. It's only 0.1 volt differences. I guess this one is already declining. It is only produced 3.3 volt compared to the new one, 3.8. Another thing that you need to consider when you are buying this new battery is it is a rechargeable battery. In the market there are non-rechargeable battery. It means that you still can use inside the mouse, but never ever charging to the charging port here. If you are using non-rechargeable battery, just put inside the mouse and do not recharge. Otherwise it will broken your charging circuit inside. Okay, let's try this. Let's see how it works. Let's turn on to the 2.4G connection. And as you can see, we have no longer having a on and off mouse. Now it's working perfectly. Yeah, that's it for today. I guess we solved the mouse problem that before having on and off. It is because our rechargeable battery is leaking or broken, so we need to replace with the new one. And also you need to check with your, if you have multimeter, you can check the voltage. This is supposed to be 3.7 volt DC. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. Thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. And again, thank you, terima kasih, and bye bye.